In this Marky review, I'm going to be showing you an AI tool that can help you generate and schedule social media content. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you how you can use Marky to generate and schedule the social media content. Now let's have a look at what AppSumo has got to say. So it is best for content creators, social media managers, solopreneurs, and the features include GDPR compliant and AI. And the integrations that you can do are Crips, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Zapier. So it can generate up to 30 days of social media content in just minutes, which all of that I'm going to be showing you later in the video. You can create compelling social media captions, graphics, and images. You can customize your brand colors and font. You can also review, edit, schedule, and publish your generated content. Then this is like one of the posts that has been generated by Marky. I'm going to be showing you this later in the video. Then you can train the AI to understand your unique voice and brand position, and you can provide the AI with your values, audience, and pain points and more. So that means you have to tell Marky what your business is about, and Marky will do the rest. So after you tell Marky about what business you're into, Marky will generate all the posts and schedule it for you. Then you can scrap your website to come up with relevant and unique ideas and so on. And the plans and features that includes, as you all know, you get a lifetime access to Marky. Then also you have this 60-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like the product, you can give it back to them within 60 days. Then comes the features. As I've mentioned before, they have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Then they have these all future integrations as well. They promise for further integrations in the future. Then comes the license tier, which we have got 3 of them. So the first license tier include you can schedule to post once per day and about 300 posts generated per month. So that's all you get in license tier. But in license tier 2, you get up to multiple times a day. You can schedule multiple times a day, and you can generate up to 3000 posts per month. So what I would suggest is you can try the license tier 1, but if you kind of like it, you can go with the license tier 2, because it creates up to unlimited you can schedule multiple times a day, which is great, which is why I recommend license 2. But license 3, basically it is for agencies, since you can schedule it multiple times a day, and also you can generate up to unlimited posts per month. So it is basically for agencies. Before we jump into the tutorial, I would like to mention that there is an affiliate link in the video description. So if you want to buy Marky, make sure you buy it from the link, as it gives me a small commission, which kind of motivates me to make these informative videos every single day. Now let's jump into the tutorial. So as you can see, this is what they ask when you first create Marky. So they ask you to describe what I'm promoting. So I've given them a brief introduction to what I do. So I'm a YouTuber reviewing new websites, software, and courses. I promote products from AppSumo, Warrior Plus, and JVSO. And I have added my logo, and I have added a headshot. So headshot is basically the face of the company. So if you don't have a face of the company, you can just add the logo itself. So when I added my logo, the colors automatically popped in right here. So it is gonna be the same for you, and I have added this hashtag right over here. Then this number is just a random number, it's not really my number. Then how did you hear about us? I heard this Marky from AppSumo, so that's what I went for it. And I'm going to save and continue. So basically all this has been generated by Marky itself. This is not something I have written. You can add more if you want, but I'm going to just keep it the same. This is like the niche that they have identified, my business model, the tone, and the core values, which is honest and unbiased review, consistent and timely content, valuable insight for viewers, then the audience, then the pain points, then the objectives, which is making informed decisions about purchasing new tools and resources, then it saves time and effort in researching and evaluating products, and so on. So they have made an amazing they have amazingly identified my business model, and they have generated an amazing output my industry is reviewing, which is pretty great. Then comes the call to action, which is also great. Then comes the self-promotion level, emoji levels, which is all good. And the content topic, let's see. So these are the content topics that I have. Then there is also remaining 7 topics that Marky has generated for my business. Then there is posting schedule, and there is also themes. So I'm gonna select a few themes. So already 9 of them are selected. I'm going to select all the themes. So that's great. So I'm going to save and continue. So as you can see, I am in the dashboard of Marky, and my posts are being generated based on the output I have given. So this is like we have generated posts for you based off what you have, what we know about you. So this is like next. Then I can edit the post. Yes, next. Then also I can control the topics. Then I can tone customization. I can do that. Then I can do branding customization. Then I can control publishing, scheduling, and integration that I can do. And I can also talk to a person if I have any trouble. So that's all great. This is the kind of post that has been generated by Marky. So it says, ever wonder about hidden gems in the tech world? We are peeling back to the curtain to reveal lesser known products that could be a game changer for your biz. Okay. Then another benefit of empowering entrepreneurs, enhance innovation and creative, and entrepreneurs are supported. They are free to think outside the box. So the YouTube channel reviews, that's why we dig deep into the latest tools and reviews that can help you be the game changer in the world. So that's an amazing post made for me. And there comes another post. I have a friend who is almost a billionaire. That's good. Here's what she told me. Always provide more value than you take. Value-packed reviews can be a game changer for entrepreneurs. We have get in the insight you need on the latest tool. So that's an amazing post. I like this as well. Now, before I post and schedule, let me first connect with my social. So you have to go to socials, and I'm going to connect my Twitter account. So now I'm gonna authorize the app. I have authorized. Okay, as you can see, my Twitter account is being connected to my account. So now let's go back to posts. Now I'll show you the post. So this is the post I have really liked. So I'm gonna schedule it. So the post is scheduled, and now I'm going to schedule. And I have to press this 3 button, I guess. And I have to move to draft. Wait. And in the draft, I think I can like post now. See, I can post it now. So I'm gonna press that now. So the post has been published. So as you can see, the post has been automatically been posted to Twitter. Now let's try another post. So it says here, it's a jungle out of there are tons of product waiting for your attention, but don't set it. I have got your back. My mission is to cut through the noises and handpick gems that can elevate your game. So I like this review. I'm not here to waste your time. Okay. So this is an amazing post. So I can also like edit the post if I press it over here. Okay, so you guys can change the text, you guys can change the color, You can change all that. You can also change the image. You can upload an image. You can crop the position and so on. You can basically edit all of this. You can edit anything you want. So I'm going to go with what Marky has generated for me. I'm gonna save and close it. Now I'm going to schedule. I don't have to actually schedule. All I have to do is just like post now, press this, and the post should be now posted in Twitter. Now let's go to Twitter. Now let's just reload it. So as you can see, the post has been posted by Marky. So it is an amazing app. I really appreciate that. So this is what you can get in the post section. Now comes topic. So these are the topics that has been generated by Marky based on the inputs I have given them on the first page. So, and you guys can add more topics in order to generate those amazing posts like that. Then comes the business section, in which there is a business summary of what Marky has identified about us based on the inputs I have given them in the first page. Then comes branding, in which you can change your logo, the color, the font, and you can select the themes or unselect the theme. You can also request the theme as well. And comes the social. This is the part where you connect to your social media and you can post it. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of Marky. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.